Hello everyone, so welcome to another tutorial with Wizard. So in this lesson we want to continue with our image tool. So this time around let's try generating an illustration. So how would we want to illustrate? So let's see, wanted to illustrate a cat. You can decide to give it more description, but let me just use, okay, so a cat, yeah, just a cat is fine, or a ginger cat. Okay, a ginger cat. I think ginger cats are usually brown in color, so yeah. Let's see if you will be able to use our prompts to generate the ginger cats. Okay, so it's done, and then let's see the outcome. Okay, so you can see it's done the illustration. So I like this one, so I can drag and drop this here. So basically, that's it for our illustration tool with Wizard. That's the generative AI tool. That's the image tool for Wizard. Yeah, thank you.